We'll go through 3 applications today that have the potential to boost your earnings by 5 or 10-fold. The money making opportunities are addictive, but promise me that you won't misuse them too much, especially when you see the money keeps coming in. Around 729 people reported earning more than 6 figures per year in income. For many people, this is a game changing source of income, and many of them are brand new rookies with no prior experience earning money online. As a result, I'm ecstatic to see you today. To give you fair warning, I'll be showing you a total of 3 different money making apps as well as some special tricks to fully automate everything so that you don't have to do anything at all while still being able to make free money on a consistent basis using only automated methods, 100%. This is a recently found hidden approach that you will not be able to uncover anyplace else. So make sure you don't miss any important phases and that you stick around until the end. Let's begin this video, shall we? Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The number 1 app on the list is Make Money Free Cash app. To be entirely honest, this is something I've never heard anyone else discuss before. Beginning users with no prior knowledge or experience will benefit greatly from this tool, as will those seeking for something easy. This is available for download on Android phone. Just type in your Google Play Store search bar, or even on your iPhone, it can be found in your App Store. All that is required of you is to finish as many tasks as you possibly can. The activities might be anything from viewing videos or exchanging information to completing surveys and many other things. Consequently, once you have downloaded this application, you'll be presented with a number of tasks that you can begin working on immediately, and you'll be able to earn money from each and every click you make. If you tap on your phone repeatedly, you can win money for each click, and you can keep doing so indefinitely. Fortunately, one of the advantages of this application is that it is entirely transparent, since it will display how much money you have earned today, how much money you have earned at this hour, and it will allow you to check the data for yourself. As a result, once you've accumulated all of your income, you'll be able to see how much money you're generating right on your smartphone screen. Your funds will become available for withdrawal after that, and payouts will typically take 24 hours. I'm referring to real money which you can withdraw from your earnings and put into your PayPal account or your bank account at any point during the day or night. For those who prefer cryptocurrencies, you can withdraw your money and put it into a digital currency wallet, such as Bitcoin. The sheer amount of different payout possibilities that are offered is simply mind-boggling. While you can earn a lot of money simply by clicking on your phone, you do not have unlimited time to do so, because using a phone requires prolonged periods of clicking. Even though it is pretty easy, some people enjoy it. However, some of you may be engaged with other responsibilities. Work, commuting, studying, family care, or you may desire more leisure or free time to pursue other interests. Each of us has a limited amount of time, and we would, however, like to earn a little extra money. And it is at this time that I'd like to provide a secret technique that will enable you to automatically click on the app each day, resulting in thousands of clicks. What I'll demonstrate is how it works step by step, as well as how we can use a few free software tools to earn significantly more cash automatically. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Go back to your Google Play or App Store. Now I want you to go type AutoClicker into your search box and click on the first app that comes up. This is the AutoClicker by True Developer Studio, so click on that one. This is a free software program that you can install on your phone that allows you to tap and click on your screen without having to touch it. This does not require the use of root access. This is an excellent software, as evidenced by its 4-star rating in the Google Play Store and the fact that it has been downloaded by more than 10 million users. The best aspect about this AutoClicker is that it is quite simple and straightforward to operate. Now, after you've set them up, you'll be ready to go. There are 2 modes available in this application. You have the option of selecting either the single target mode or the multiple target mode. However, for the time being, we will only use this single target mode. Once you've clicked the single target button, You have the option of deciding where they'll be focusing the automatic clicks. Now consider the following scenario. You program the blue circle in the phone center, which you can see right here, and to keep tapping on the phone screen every second as if you were programming an automatic robotic click to do so. This is possible for a minute over 60 times, which means that you can earn a big amount of money automatically by doing so, especially if you have a large number of devices to use. With 2 or 3 cell phones or an iPad, you will be able to earn far more money than you would otherwise. That is really amazing, and I'm not exaggerating. The second application that I will demonstrate to you is called Feature Points. This app is available for download on your smartphone or other mobile device. Simply enter the name Feature Points into the Play Store or App Store search bar. Alternatively, you can type featurepoints.com into the search box of your web browser. You can earn prizes by completing surveys, installing apps, sharing them with your friends, joining contests, and engaging in other similar activities. And this service is absolutely free to use and participate in. If you purchase at your favorite stores such as Gap, Microsoft, and Sephora, you can earn hundreds of dollars in cashback through Feature Points. This application will allow you to cash out hundreds of dollars in cash on multiple occasions. Right now, you will be producing passive income on a consistent basis while participating in a range of activities. On top of that, you can have some extra money coming in when you participate in their referral programs. After you have accumulated all the points, you can now convert it and withdraw the money from your account on a daily basis. This is the third website that I'll be introducing to you, and its name is IPOL. You can look for it on your browser by typing ipol.com into the address bar. Unlike other market search communities, IPOL is more than just a collection of survey questions. You can express your honest feedback in short polls, type prototype products, and discover your local area by completing real-world activities and much more in this environment. The subjects covered in the poll vary from current events and public opinions to your favorite television series and brands. The surveys on this website are actually fairly straightforward and simple to complete. Complete them in 3 to 5 minutes, and depending on how fast you type. And along with that, as you complete the surveys, you will be sent more and more basic and simple surveys, which will allow them to continue to increase your earnings. Since you stayed until the end of this video, I have a bonus strategy for you as a reward. Here's a quick way to make some extra cash. Visit a website called Survey on the Go. This is yet another survey website that you may utilize in addition to the countless other already available to you. Every time you click on a link and complete a short survey, you will get paid 50 cents, $1 or $2, or any other amount you want to put into your account. To be honest with you, this isn't much money at all. Alternatively, you'd want to earn some extra cash while you're on the go. You may complete the survey here. All of the website I mentioned before will allow you to use AutoClicker in combination, and you can use all the applications at the same time to earn money. Making money online has never been so simple. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.